It looks painful, but this is important preparation for hunting. Priming their ears to maximize their sensitive hearing. Each family member has its own unique way of doing it. Some more thorough than others. Next, it's time to hunt. From the safety of his home tree, the 5-week-old watches on as the adults hunt. In just a few weeks' time, he'll need to do it all for himself. There's lots to learn. He must master his satellite dish ears, moving each one independently to pick up tiny sounds in the dark. Next, he must learn to tilt his head to judge distance. For adults, this helps them pounce with pinpoint accuracy. And there's one final lesson. At family mealtimes, it's first come,